Welcome back, guys. Today we got the last piece to the garage before I do the garage tour, and it's this welding table that I got from the Northern Tool. I had a Harbor Freight one before, but I didn't really like it, and this one was recommended to me by Eric from Casa Customs. This one retails for around 300 bucks, but I got it on sale when it was 180. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. So yeah, originally I wanted to build my own welding table, but after calculating all the costs, this is way cheaper. All right, so for this table, there are two ways to set it up. One is with these long legs, and two, these short legs. The short legs are good if you have a big workbench already and you just want to put the welding table on top. For me, I'm gonna be using the long legs, and I bought casters for the table so I can move the table around. Right here is the long leg setup, and over here you have the short leg. I'm gonna be temporarily using this until my caster come in. All right, got the bottom shelf on. So the table comes with these fix-up kits, a bunch of accessories for welding. But yeah, I think this table is a good size for a garage builder like myself. If you're a full-time builder, maybe two of these will work better. But for me, I think one's enough. The build is super solid. And I love the fact that it comes with all of these accessories. And over here, I'll be adding a wooden plank for more storage. And then my casters are coming so I can push the table around. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this table. Let me go ahead and clean these up right here, and then I'll catch you guys up with the Sportster build. All right, Sportster update. So after I got back from EDR, I took out the 14-inch apes and replaced them with these T-bars. These aren't the same T-bars that I had before. These are actually custom made by Zombie Performance. They're an inch higher than the previous bars, and the pullback is 3.5 inches. As you can see right there. These are the OT bars that I had. The pullback is a lot smaller and they're straighter, as you can see. And these are only 11 inches high. Next, I took off the stock headlight and replaced it with this 4.5 inches that I got from a swap meet. So the stock one's gonna be for sale. If you guys are interested, let me know. Made a Moto sent me this cover that I didn't even know existed, and I feel like it fits the bike perfect. So my old cover is gonna be for sale as well. Let me know. Next, I took my lowers over to Nick's place and had him shave my fender mounts. I didn't want to use my angle grinder to cut and shape like before. That thing took forever. And this is like pretty much perfect. I just gotta polish it out. And then while the forks were apart, we installed the +6 tubes I had. And this is the new stance of the bike. So after the +6 were installed, the bike now has a pretty crazy lean, which I'm not feeling. So in the future, I'm gonna be extending the kickstand about 1.5 inches to get rid of the crazy lean. I want the lean to be similar as the shovel right now, so it doesn't take up space when I park it. And then next, I'm gonna be getting rid of the stock key switch along with the push start button right here and replace it with a universal 4-position switch. It's kind of like a car switch pretty much. You put your key in, you turn it, and the bike will start. That way this area will look cleaner, less clutter. I'm gonna be rewiring the bike, so all this stuff will be hidden. I'm also gonna be getting rid of the ICM and replace it with a Dynatec electronic ignition right here. But yeah, that's what I have in store for the Sportster. Nothing too crazy. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.